Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel. In today's video we will go and explore what is NoteGPT. As you can see here in the first link, so let's go directly and explore it. So after you click the first link, you need to do sign up. I have already signed up. Also you can add Chrome extension, which is sometimes advisable to get it like over your, for example, browsing with other websites or something that you are working on your laptop, rather than just to go to the website every time. So whatever, so we'll go here and we will have this interface. And here we can see that we have create and we have YouTube AI chat. They are using DeepSeek. We'll see what's the model they are using. And here AI presentation, it shows that it is the trending tool they are using in these websites. AI homework helper, flashcards, book library, whatever. So also we can find them there. Here also we have the diagram. I can see. So what you need to do, you need just to go for a summary. You put something, for example, YouTube link, or you can upload a PDF or image, audio, or more. Also, you can put a link, or you can long text. This is the language you want, any language that you can use. Maybe just to check your language if they are available or no. And we can now do something. So what we will do, I will put just a link. For example, I will go for one of my YouTube videos and I will put it here. Then I will see what it comes from NoteGPT. Like my last video on Manus AI. So here I just put it and I will go for YouTube. Sorry, maybe I need to go for YouTube first. Then I will put the link here again. Then we will go, for example, here, summarize now, and we will see what we will have. I'm saying here there is trending YouTube summarizing, but summarizer, but I'm not pretty sure because I picked this one or it is trending now while I'm doing this video. So here we can see now we have the percentage of extracting the content. We will be waiting until we get something. I can here see AI notes and AI. So here he put the transcript, which I like it. I like when the things they are also written as like transcript. Here we will go for discover. We will see what's this discover. I'm not pretty sure what will come up until we get something from here. Oh, okay, maybe here they are I can see some of my videos and other videos. Maybe they are related in one way or another, but I can see my channel, maybe because I picked my channel. So also I can see some people with madness, like videos or others, madness. I don't know, this is Trump madness. So maybe they are related to something. So we'll go for here. You can go by author. This is a good one, and you can go by related. For example, if you need some videos on madness, maybe you need to go just here. So I will go just again for transcript. You can download it, and here I can see this is the summary, and it is somehow likable to me. I have already mentioned this. This is we have 1,500 credits. You can here get the key insights. Also it is good one. So let me just see what all else we have. This is chapter summary. So if you go for chapter summary, maybe they will go just for I'm not pretty sure if they would pick a chapter or one by one. The video introducing separately. Okay, so maybe we'll go chapter by chapter. Okay, so they just like make it slimy, so they just divide the video itself. So let's go again here and we'll see what else we need to go. Financial statement, assistant. And let me go here. What's this financial statement? So because we didn't mention a lot from where it started. I'm not sure if this is where they started. Summary with the video transcript. This is maybe the chapters. Yes, maybe this is the chapters we have bought, but I can see here pricing. Yeah, okay, this is the financial statement. Financial company. So I feel it is short and maybe it's not like full. So I will just do it again. Let me try to do it again. I will see what it comes again. Yes, maybe I'm still writing. Okay, maybe he was still writing, but I was fast in asking him. So yes, I can see here they put the credit for $40. If you have like ask almost 3,900 credits and almost $20 if you are going for almost 20 credits. So I can see, yeah, this is okay. Also, they give this forecasting summary. I like it. I love it. So you can also use it for something you need. Also, you can go for here. Everything I like. You can just explore it and see. Podcast script generator. Let me just go here. So maybe someone can do podcast script. Yeah, it shows that maybe I was fast in my first try with the financial statement. So here, this is like a podcast. So you can also copy it. If you have, like, for example, a good video on YouTube, then you can just have the podcast and you can just share it with someone, or you can share it in public, or you can make another video on the same podcasting. So also I like it. It's very good one. Here maybe you'll go just for AI chat. Yes, this is normal AI chat. I'll go for notes. Here I believe this is mind mapping. So let me just explore it very quickly. I hope it does not take time. Yes, and from here we can just maximize it, and you can do the amendment if you want. That's also fine to me. You can just try it if you like. So let me go again to home, and instead of video I will put, for example, a PDF file. Let me go there. But rather than to go to a PDF file or something, so let me go for presentation, for example. Let me see what's this trending, AI trending presentation. Then we can create. So I'm creating. So here you can put a text and you ask him, or you can go for a file. We will do now link and YouTube, but we have done already. We can go for link, but they will make it as a presentation. This we will explore it just now. The PDF file, and it gives me all those information where maybe they will write it in like a PowerPoint. So we'll go for next. Here with next we go for category, style and color. So maybe we need just to pick any theme, personalized theme here. Let me just see, we can add our theme, but we will go here for something they have it already. So let me go for something. Let me go for this as an AI, and I'll go for next. It was about AI literacy, like my PDF file. Let me just show you the PDF file. This is the PDF file that I have uploaded. So it is about like relationship between attitude towards AI and literacy of university students and abstract. So it's a paper on AI. Let me go back to the PowerPoint. So this is the presentation. It is somehow likable. Introduction. They start with an introduction. In our PDF, there is the introduction. That's fine. So also background of the study, results, discussion, research objectives. Yes, there is research objectives, and methodology. I like it. It's lovely. Here they go for the introduction. They didn't go for the abstract, but it is also fine to me. This is when you upload a file or PDF and it is long and you want just to get the first hint to understand what's the paper about, so it is very fine. Also, if you have, for example, a PDF file and you can upload it here, and you can get the PowerPoint instead of you are doing the PowerPoint by yourself. So from what you uploaded, you can get something. I remember one of my friends asked me if he has a file, can he just ask an AI to make it as a presentation or PowerPoint. So I can see here it is a good window to him, and he can just check if it is suitable for him. So also there are images I like. Well, they bought images dimensions. Let us just see. This is a very good one. But if we go here and we just go for dimension, what shows ethics, for example, sorry, if we go here again, I'm sorry, ethics, understanding, detection and application, we can see them in here. Those that are ethics, application, understanding and detection. So I believe this is also a very good one. He goes as the variables, or he put them in the PowerPoint dimensions. So also it's fine to me. Maybe it should not be the same term, same as exact term, so it can be different, but I like it. It's a good one. So this is fine to me so far. I believe it can be useful, and you can go here and you can make edit, and you can do also another create. Here you can go for the dark mode. You need just to explore. Here if you go home, you can ask the AI, or you can just go here AI chat, and we will see what's the mood. This is the mood. Oh, we have different moods, so you can ask any of those moods, but some of them, they are coming soon. But those ones you can use them normally. Also, you can upload a file as usual on most of AIs. It's lovely platform. I like it. So somehow also it can facilitate and speed up the process. If you have a video, or you have, for example, a PDF, or you have a file, just go put it there. They will give you some outputs. Also, I can see this is flashcards. If you want to have flashcards, just you go for here, and you will you can create a new creation. Then what are the flashcards? You can put, like, for example, a link of YouTube or something you want. Then maybe you will get flashcards here, or you can enter keywords. Maybe you can create your own from here directly. If we go just to create here, we'll see if there's a text. So you can just put a text as normal, and you will get everything there. You have 5,000 characters, so or words, I'm not very sure. Just try it and see what is coming up there. We should not explore everything in our video, but we give you the website itself, and we will give you just general information. Then it is your rule to go there, explore it, and see if it is matching your interest, and you can go for exploring more and more. Thank you for today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed as I did, and see you in our next video. Thank you.